You have diabetes or know someone who has it? Did you know that diabetic people, or those under risk of developing it, have to make healthier changes to their lifestyle and diet, but also need to incorporate exercise in their routines to see better results in their treatment? Yoga is one of the suggested exercises for diabetic people. Have you heard about it before? It not only offers physical benefits, but also helps in the mental health of diabetic patients. The Vajrasana, also known as the diamond pose, helps a lot with digestive disorders and is recommended to be done after meals. This pose also strengthens nerves and muscles around the pelvic area and can prevent many diseases, strengthen the digestive organs, and regulate insulin production, stimulating the correct functioning of the pancreas. Are you enjoying the videos so far? Then give us your opinion to let us know how we're contributing to you and your health. This is one of the easiest meditative poses to do, and any person can do it. It is very simple. Bend your knees on the ground and slowly sit down over your heels. The whole extension of your legs has to touch the ground and your toes pointed backward. Keep your spine erect, your shoulders and face muscles relaxed, chin parallel to the ground, and your hands resting on your thighs with the palms turned down or up. Keep the pose for as long as possible while feeling comfort, firmness, and wellness. Diabetic patients or those with digestive issues can do this pose for at least 10 minutes at night after a meal. It helps you have a good night of rest. If your buttocks can't touch your heels, sit on a pillow or yoga mat, placing it horizontally under your buttocks. Some of the benefits of this pose are more flexibility in your thighs, knees, and heels, strengthens the feet arches, improves digestion and alleviates gas, helps alleviate symptoms of menopause, reduces swelling in legs during the second trimester of pregnancy, and has a therapeutic power for hypertension and asthma. If you feel any discomfort or pain in your knees, heels, or hips, do not try this pose or use accessories for the necessary modifications. If the symptoms persist, stop. This yoga pose regulates blood sugar and is good for diabetics.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.